Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey y'all, wait, I forgot my intro. Hold on. What's up, my internet babes? Welcome back to another YouTube video, you guys. I'm not gonna talk too long in the intro, but I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I know I've been gone for a while, but I think I'm gonna start back getting active on here because I just fully learned how to edit on my MacBook instead of editing on my iPad. So yes, that's new. And I mean, I could have asked somebody, but I don't like asking people for stuff. Like, you know, I learned myself. The most thing I was struggling with was getting the footage off of my camera to my MacBook. But I didn't know, like, you have to press this file that's named private and then everything just pops up. But yeah, I taught myself, period. What else I was gonna say? But today y'all can see the title. As y'all can see, I'm gonna do a get ready with me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take y'all along because I got another video planned. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna take out with me because I have another video. I'm gonna do a weekend vlog from Friday to Sunday. Today is Friday, so this will be a separate video. So this will just be a get ready with me. I'm not gonna hold y'all much longer, but it is 12:51. We just running errands and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm about to go in the restroom, brush my teeth, wash my face, stuff like that, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. And I also need to do my hair. I'm gonna do that after that, all of that though. But yeah, see y'all in the bathroom. Hey y'all, so right now I have one contact in, so I need to put the other one in. And yeah. I can see clearly now. But y'all, I'm about to brush my teeth. And before the freeze come, I need to go buy some new contacts because these are like the last pair I have. And I'm not getting stuck like this ever again. But yeah, I'm about to brush my teeth and wash my face and all that good stuff. So I'm probably gonna speed this up from here. Okay, this is how I'm coming anyway. Let me move it. How about that? Okay, I did me a little pony. This is gonna be just out with some little curls. Let me get the gel. This is what I used on my curls. Curl Boss. And then I just take this and I just drench it and look at that. No, not that one. This one. Like I just do that and it comes apart. My hair getting so long, like, y'all, if y'all don't know, I cut my hair all the way off. Not like ball, but like, not like Mr. Potato Head ball, but I cut my hair like short. It was like 2-3 inches. And this is how it's coming. Period. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. Okay. This is the hair. I totally forgot to tell y'all that I put this on after I washed my face. And y'all didn't remind me because I didn't do it. Oh. Good thing I wasn't dressed. Okay. But yeah. I rubbed that on. It just make your face feel so refreshed. Rub. Just a little bit too much. I ain't gonna lie. Put some on my arm. And yeah, y'all. Let me get dressed. Well, let me find my clothes. I'll see how my hair's shrinking back up. But let me find my clothes. And I'm gonna get back with y'all. After 20 years, I finally found my outfit. So I'm wearing this little sweatshirt with these navy blue flares. Navy blue flare leggings. And then shoes, I don't know. But I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna come back. I had to take a eat break, but I am dressed. I'm gonna show y'all later though. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna put my jewelry on. James Avery. and my 2 rings. I'm only wearing these today. And then I'm gonna show you the whole outfit when I get back in the bathroom. And yeah. That is the end of this video, y'all. I have another video coming for y'all probably Monday. But yes, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.